Today we are gonna make a Valentine's Day card. I I knew that Valentine's Day card was coming up, so I wanted to make a Valentine's Day card, but I also wanted to show you guys how to make it. The first step is to make your paper go like this. Then you're gonna fold it like this, like a book. Then you're gonna do that. You're gonna take your pencil and draw a half a heart like that. Then you need your scissors, and I'll look at mine. When you have your scissors, you're gonna need to then you're gonna need to cut out the half heart. It's gonna look like this. Then you see a fold. It's gonna open. You're gonna need to make a smaller heart than but make no. You draw half a heart here. You don't need to be that small like mine. Maybe that's not the exact thing. Then you're gonna cut that small heart out. And it'll cut weird. Then you're gonna take glue. Put some glue all over your small heart. Just behind. Then it's gonna look like this. Then put it in the middle of the big heart. Then you're gonna trace it with like a Valentine's Day card. You're gonna trace it. Trace it. Then you're gonna write a small letter inside the small heart. What should I write? Whoever you're gonna give it to, write something like I'm gonna make two for both of my parents. Then we're gonna write. I'm gonna write. I will do a very hard work and you are the best. Then you're gonna see if you can fold it back in the heart. Then you can open it. Then let's add some more. Got pink, and you're gonna draw a heart. I'm gonna get fine. Finally, red. This is what I wrote. I love you. Then I'm gonna draw. Then you can draw lots of hearts. Then you're gonna fold it. Then quickly write it for whoever you want to give it to. Then you write from, then write your name. Then you can draw a heart under there. Then on the back, you can write Happy Valentine's Day or on the front. Then when you write it, that's it for today. Bye. Subscribe, like, and comment down below.